Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of SD Biosensor Ultra HCV AB. Over here we can see the brand name SD Biosensor, the product name Ultra HCV AB. The reference number of this kit is RK06530. This kit contains Ultra HCV AB cassette 30, specimen transfer device 30, buffer bottle 2 nozzles, and instruction for use 1. These are the contents inside this kit. This is the overall top view of this product. On the side we can see the brand name SD Biosensor, product name Ultra HCV AB. This is for one-step rapid immunochromatographic test for qualitative detection of specific antibodies to HCV in human serum, plasma or whole blood. This kit contains 30 tests per kit. This is the front view of this product. On the side we can see the manufacturing address. This kit is manufactured from India. So the origin of the kit is India. Over here we can see the product name Ultra HCV. In this side it is same as front side, there is no difference. On this side we can see the product name Ultra HCV. Then we can see this is the IVD product. One instruction manual. It is stored in normal room temperature. One instruction manual there. 30 kits inside this kit. So I am going to unpack this for your reference. After opening we can see there is instruction manuals there. I am going to take this out. I am going to open this. Ultra HCV AB for in vitro use only. Preparation. What are the materials provided? Cassette, specimen transfer device, buffer bottle, instruction for use. Test procedure. For whole blood specimen. Interpretation of test result. Ultra. So I am keep this aside. The next one is the specimen transfer device 30 nozzles. One pack contains 10 nozzles. There are total 3 pack 30 nozzles. The next one is the buffer bottles. Two nozzles of buffer bottles. Here we can see SD Biosensor HCV AB volume of 2 ml, buffer bottle, 2 nozzles. And finally you can see the test cassette. In this kit contains 30 test cassette. I am going to take this one out. In this test cassette we can see Ultra HCV AB, one-step HCV antibody test. Over here we can see the manufacturing address. One pouch contains 1 cassette. So there are total 30 pouches. So there are 30 test cartridges. On the back side we can see the lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the SD Biosensor Ultra HCV AB. The cat number of this kit is RK06530. This kit contains 13 ounces of Ultra HCV AB cassette and 13 ounces of specimen transfer devices, buffer bottle to 1 instruction for use. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.